Hi, this is Karen and welcome to another Plan With Me on Sunday at Doolally Crafts. Today we're planning ahead to the first day of July. Now last week while I was doing this I left a page blank because I knew that I wanted a quote to go here, and this is the quote. It's "Be as unique and beautiful as a snowflake." I think we all need to be reminded of that every now and then. Now I've already started filling out my month at a glance. As you can see, we've got Kaylee at Summers Camp, that's Miss 15, and then we've got school holidays for the next 2 weeks. There's not much of any importance in dates. We don't have any birthdays this month in our family at all. So I've just got my daughter and my son-in-law, we're all meeting there for a games night later this month, and I haven't filled in my bills yet. I need to do that. I've got my project ideas ready to go, my Hangul lessons ready to go, and as I said, I really like that and I thought it was very appropriate for this month. Line a day and brain dump are ready to go, and here we are, the first week of a new month. Okay, I will fast forward this as I'm filling it all out. As I said, it's already done in grey lead, so I've just got to go over it with the black pen, and yeah, I'll be back when it's finished to decorate it. Okay, we're back again, and we've just finished, or I've just finished doing the simple layout. Now time to decorate. So once again, in with the stamps that I used for the layout earlier last week, and I'm going to bring in the Highland Heather and the Balmy Blue, and I'm going to stamp the two borders like I did with the flowers a few weeks ago. So out with some paper just to mask off some of the areas. I'll need a couple of sheets. Actually, right. Okay, so one down that way and one across there, and then in with the largest of the snowflakes first. I'm going to put one there and one down the bottom there. In with the Balmy Blue and the second largest. Just move that back down to where it was. There we go. And in with the Balmy Blue. Then in with the smaller one again and some more Highland Heather. And then in with, if I can find it here on my desk, there's a tiny little snowflake. and we will just fill in all these little gaps with the tiny snowflake. That's one side done. I think that looks really pretty. I might have to do this layout again come Christmas time, but then again we don't have snow over here at Christmas, so it might be a bit weird. But never mind, we might give it a go. Okay, so get my papers in and then bring in the large stamp first. A bit more of a space there than I would have liked. Okay, I think that looks really nice, and I've just realised I'm packing this up and I've got some blank space at the top of the page. I'm not going to worry about this space down here, but I'm going to bring my pens back in and just put 5 dots down the side here, which are my bullet points for anything that might need doing during the week. I know that I've got a couple of appointments with my physio. Hubby's got his dialysis. I think there might be a doctor's appointment in there as well. But okay, that's my layout for the week. I hope you've enjoyed following along with it, and you'll join me again on Tuesday for another card making. It was supposed to be a Case the Catty, but it's not. It's actually exploring a bit more with my Magnolia Suite. So I hope you join me again on Tuesday, and we've got a Throwback Thursday on Thursday. And then I'll be back again with another plan with me for the second week of July next Sunday. That's all from me for now. Bye-bye.